Thank you so much.
Alright!
Yes!
PH, you announce it down, boys? Ayan, and I'd like to call it to join. Us here is our producer and the head of audio content ng Star Music, Mr. Jonathan, the iconic Jonathan Manalo himself.
Yes.
Ayan, 11 ha? Ford Jonathan, hanky-hanky. Oh, they're here, of course, one of the collaborators ng album, Kid Wolf! In the back, and Mr. Kiko Salazar. Grabe pala to, ha? Lahat na the best in music are here na nagsama-sama sa album na to. And of course, where's my partner, Aaron? Where are you? Of course, and we are now ready to entertain questions from our friends from the media.
Yes, partner. But before that, we'd like to
But before that
acknowledge the presence of our business unit head. Wala iba kundi si Mr. Louie Andrade.
Andyan si Louie! Oh my God.
Together with Lani
Ayan
Gutierrez
po, that's the
and Peter
team.
Dizon.
The team of Pinoy Boy Band Superstar, Mr. Louie Andrade, Peter Dizon, and of course, Miss Lani Gutierrez, si Alan Mala. Okay, we're good. Thanks, Aaron.
Partner, our first question will come from the editor of The Manila Times, the lovely Miss Tessa Mauricio.
Aaron, you seem lost. Bakit? With all the boys here. Sorry.
He's so lovely too, if you can just see him.
Oh, beautiful. Can you move forward? Sorry, Miss Tessa.
Yes.
Because Boy Borja's blocking your way, right?
Oh my God, boy!
Go on, Miss
Good
Tessa.
afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Congratulations. Tanong ko lang sa inyo, no? Obviously, alam natin na galing kayo sa isang contest na hindi kayo lahat magkakilala. A lot of the most successful bands in the world begin as friends, no? They begin as friends.
Yes.
Iba pa nga nagkakahiwalay dahil doon. Pero anong ginagawa nyo in terms of, bonding as friends? Kasi tingin ko, apart from your music, isa yan sa magiging factor sa inyong success.
Ayun po, siguro po, isa po sa bonding po namin kumain. Ayun. Tapos, pagka wala po kami ginagawa, nagkikwentuhan, nagkukulitan. Kasi, isa rin po sa mga bagay na kailangan namin na mag-bond para maging solid po yung band namin.
Anong mga similarities ninyo? May na-discover na ba kayong pagkakareho nyo?
Meron po.
Pagkakaiba?
Siguro, pare-parehas po kami makukulit.
Okay, siguro we'll hear from Joao. Ano similarities mo with the other band members? For example, pareho ba kayo makulit ni Neil? Or kanino kami kapareho?
I guess me and Russell naman kasi mga Englishero kami.
Oh, pareho tayong tatlo. English
Ganun tayo, kaya naman.
Kaya.
Yun, and then,
Does
I
it,
don't know.
parang bang mas kayo ang banded kasi pareho kayo speak English well?
Hindi
Or hindi naman?
Porque nag-English naman kami, it doesn't mean we're the closest to each other.
Ah.
We're close with everyone naman.
Okay.
Since the beginning naman, we all bonded properly together and there was already like a click. So that's the good thing about us.
Okay. Tristan, kanino kami similarities ng ugali? Tama, Miss Tessa, no?
Yes.
Sa kanila po lahat po kasi sila makukulit. Pero ako lang po yung pinakamakulit sa kanila.
Seryoso?
Yun po.
Yun laki mong yan, ikaw ba makulit?
Yun po.
Pangalawa po siya sa amin.
Second.
Yes po.
Okay, Russell, what is common with the other boys? Sa iyo ugali or ano?
I'd say we all take a long time to get ready in the morning. I'd say that's something that.
Oh, everyone does. Wow.
Yeah, it really is like that kulit factor. I think we all.
Kulit.
I think at the beginning of the show when we all first met, we all had our walls up a bit, but then over time we all realized we're all kind of funny guys.
Alright, so funny. Neil,
Makulit din po. Yun, yung skill ko kay Ford siguro.
may similarity.
Yes po.
Saan?
Sa, kasi minsan, mag-intuan kami dalawa parang
Miss Tessa's the one asking ha, go address her. Oh. Minsan pareho kayo.
Parang nagkukulitan din kami dalawa, parang ganun.
Okay. Ford.
Yun din, makulit din po. Kasi doon po kami nagkakasundo lahat sa kapag may joke time yung isa, halos lahat po nakiki-jive na. So, yun po yung pinaka-banding namin together. Tapos, pagkakain po, sabay-sabay din.
Kulitan tsaka ka-food.
Last na, pero yes or no lang ang sagot para mabilis, no? Pero pag makulit, may nagkainisan na ba? We won't go into detail, pero yes or no lang, isa-isa kayo.
Did it come to a point na may
Wala pa.
Qualified?
Wala pa.
No.
No. No.
None.
Alam
Soon po.
wala naman po kasi.
Gusto ko yung soon.
Joke lang.
Thank you, Miss Tessa. Who has the next question? Kung wala dyan 8 kasi ang dami dito mga vloggers natin na gustong magtanong.
Partner, we have a question from Manay Ethel Ramos.
Tita El, you know Tita Ethel, ha? You should know the lady, my goodness.
Hello
She's
po.
Ethel Ramos.
Hello po.
Hello po,
Afternoon
sir.
po.
Ngayon, ang gusto ko lang malaman, may record na kayo.
Ng ano po? Police?
Ay, hindi, ang gusto ko lang malaman ngayon,
Charot.
individually, ano ang mga bago sa inyo? Nagastos niyo na ba yung tigo 1 million?
Ay, alam ni Manay Ethel ang napanalo na. Okay.
Kasama dito si Aga mo.
Oo nga pala, she is the manager of Ate, Kuya Aga. Okay, anong nabago from the time na nag-boy band, now that you are of an official team, and what did you do with the 1 million na premium?
Para sa akin naman po, I guess I helped out with my family financially, and I get to experience a lot of new things, especially in the Philippines. I get to go to new places with the guys.
Saan ka ba based, Joao?
Ako naman po, from Macau, China po. So hindi pa po nakaikot masyado sa Pinas. Pero since we have a lot of mall shows now and tours around,
I know,
so it's a great blessing to go around Philippines with these guys all together and experience new things all together.
Okay. What did you do with the 1 million daw?
Yun nga, I helped out with my family financially, and hopefully, maybe in the future I can buy my own house or
And
something.
you're earning din sa normal shows?
Apo.
Okay. Tristan,
Ayun po, sobrang marami pong nabago sa buhay ko. Unang-una po, natutulungan ko po yung family ko, lalo po yung kapatid ko na tinutulungan ko po siya mag-aral ng college. At yun po ay ang plan po namin sa napanalunan ko po. Ngayon po kasi inaantay po namin na makabili po ng lupa para po matayo po ng bahay namin.
saan?
Unti-unti.
Sa Rockwell ba? O saan ba?
Hindi naman po.
Sorry lang.
Sa ano po, sa Bulacan pa rin po. Ako sa
Ay,
po.
Bulacan ka rin.
Opo.
Saan yung mother mo nagtatrabaho?
Sa ngayon po, nagtatrabaho po si ma'am. Parang kinakausap niyo po yung tito ko na boss niya po, na kung para baka last month na lang po ng work niya, uuwi na po sa Bulacan.
Ang
Yun
ganda ng
naman po
mga
yung
stories
plano
nila,
ko.
Tita Ethel. Kaya nai-endear tayo sa kanila because of the stories. Eh.
Oo.
Okay, Russell.
Para sa akin po, marami. I think out of all the guys, I have a lot of things to work on. Kasi I'm definitely coming from the farthest place. I'm from the States, so it's a little bit different for me to come to a different country and adapt to a new language, adapt to a new culture. I also have to develop different skill sets such as dancing, things I've never quite done before, and being really efficient at learning new moves and learning new numbers as quickly as possible. So that's something that's been taking adjustment for me.
You're based in California, right?
Chicago.
Chicago, malala yung accent mo. Next, actually. Okay, what did you do with the 1 million?
I haven't really spent much of it.
Wow, yaman. Naibigay na sa inyo, no? 1 month ago pa, di ba? Before Christmas, i-edit na.
Oh, this one.
Okay. So, medyo naalam mo pa how to spend it.
I'm just not spending it because I have a feeling the second I do, I'm gonna spend all of it. So.
Alright. Neil,
Siyempre po natulungan ko na po yung family ko.
paano?
Yun, financially po. Tapos,
Ang ganda ng kwento ng batang to.
especially yung brother ko po, natulungan ko din po siya. Tapos, yun po, parang wala na po kami problema masyado sa financially.
That's
Tapos,
good.
po, gusto ko pong magtayo ng sariling bahay soon po. At,
May inaay ka ng area or property na gusto mo na talagang i-acquire?
sa ngayon wala pa po, pero pagplano.
Your parents are working on it,
Yes po.
right?
Opo.
Okay. Ford.
Ayun.
Mayaman siguro si Ford kasi Ford.
Sa pangalan po. Ayun, unang-una po, natutunan po namin kung paano po maging responsable sa mga bagay-bagay, gaya po ng
Wow, ganda ng sagot.
gamit, kung paano po namin ingatan, at syempre po, natutunan din po namin kung paano lumawak yung pasensya namin sa lahat ng ginagawa namin sa
Sino ba nagpapainit ng ulo mo?
Hindi po, kasi sa totoo lang po, syempre, hindi rin po ganun kadali yung trabaho.
Kasi nag-a-adjust po kami lahat.
I-polish po kung paano yung gagawin namin performance.
Tapos every other day, meron kayong mall show nationwide.
That's po. So, yun, natutunan po namin paano lumawak yung pasensya namin. Tsaka po natutunan namin kung paano maging mapagmahal na tao.
Oh. Kanta.
At
Kay
yun,
John.
yun.
Kay Jonathan?
Jonathan.
Go, Tita Ethel.
Ang palagay mo, do they live together?
Yes, alam ko po meron po silang, di ba meron kayong, may house po sila na kini-finance ng ABS, na doon po sila magkakasama.
Actually,
Training.
di ba meron tong management na style of management na ginagawa ang
Actually,
ABS?
extensive training yung ginagawa nila in choreography, vocal training, showmanship. So, total performer boy band kasi yung plan sa kanila ng ABS. So, magkakasama sila sa bahay para mag-undergo sila ng mga trainings na yun.
Sabi ni
Aaron,
we asked him, man behind this,
we can
brain behind this.
Mr. Louie Anjada.
Si Louie actually mas makakapag-discuss ng ginagawa.
Sir Louie,
niya
the
sa bahay.
management style po. Ayan.
Yung management style kasi, this is the first time that we're doing this, meaning ABS is doing this. They are under Star Magic. But yes, tinutulungan namin sa production because when we were in Korea, kami ni Pete, nag-interview kami ng, kasi di ba yung mga K-pop, meron silang kakaibang training. Parang 3-4 years, train bago mo ilabas. Pero dito, dahil sila baliktad, nauna silang inilabas sa TV, kumbaga kasama yung tao sa pagbuo sa kanila, and then saka pa lang namin tinitrain. Of course, may mga talents na itong mga batang ito.
Correct.
It's just that nakailangan lang talagang ituro sa kanila. Yung pagtira sa kanila sa iisang bahay, it's not just para mag-undergo sila ng training, but we're also instilling discipline para matuto sila ng tamang disiplina, pakikisalamuha, kasi syempre, di ba, teamwork is important.
Correct.
So, kasama yun. So, yun.
Tita Ethel, follow up. Sir Louie, talent fee po, paano? How do they get paid? Sorry, ang daming shows eh. Secret.
Secret.
Kasi 5, tsaka produkto ng search. I can imagine. Okay, A.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tita Ethel.
Ito partner, isa pang lumilevel sa Boy Band PH. Wala iba kundi ang editor ng The Manila Bulletin.
Of course.
Jojo Panaliga.
Who is also a music lover.
Thank you. Kay Louie, meron pa din bang kinalaman ng Fremantle dito, from here, after the show, hanggang sa ngayon?
Fremantle.
Well, ganito kasi ang kwento niyan. Ang Fremantle, sa ibang bansa, pag naggagawa sila ng mga reality programs like La Banda, which is Pinoy Boy Band, X Factor, American Idol, ganon. Yung Fremantle kasi is a production company. Hindi sila katulad ng ABS na kumpleto. Production, may music arm, may movie, ganon. So kumbaga, meron silang existing tie-up with Sony. So, inaayos lang namin ngayon with Fremantle kasi in essence talaga, dapat katandem din namin ang Sony. So, yung efforts na yon, gusto namin na eventually maging, umpisa muna ay regional, meaning sana matulungan kami ng Sony na yung mga music nila ay maipakita at maiparinig sa Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, yun. So, yun ang participation. So, hindi siya Fremantle but Sony. But si Sony ay may existing deal with Fremantle.
Ang dami palang naka-back up dito sa grupong ito.
Ang Fremantle kasi hanggang dun lang sila, ang scope lang nung kanila ay hanggang dun lang sa programa. So once natapos yung programa, wala na sila doon. So we're dealing now with Sony.
Go, Jo.
Kay Jonathan. Jonathan, madami na din namang naging boy band sa Pinas. And I think mas malaki yung ratio na they don't make it. Not because they're not talented or they're not lookers. It's always about connecting to the Filipino audience na they're not copycats. The songs aren't just a sound-alike of this other boy band abroad. How did you plan that Boy Band PH would transcend all those and make a connection?
Ayun. Very unique naman talaga din yung Boy Band PH na bago namin artist today. Siyempre, kung pinag-uusapan natin yung affinity, they have the advantage of being in a reality show na inabangan ng mga Pilipino. Talagang dun pa lang nagkaroon na-establish yung connection. At nakita naman natin na one of the most followed reality shows, reality programs ng ABS yung Pinoy Boy Band Superstar. So doon, may connection na sila. So ang challenge, kung paano natin ma-maintain yung affinity with the audience na create doon sa Pinoy Boy Band Superstar. And I think, with the help, of course, I would like to commend the work of producers, Kid Wolf and Kiko Salazar in this album. So they really did a wonderful job of
Congrats, Kid Wolf, Kiko!
Magaganda yung mga songs and kailangan lang naman na para ma-keep natin yung na-build nila na affinity with the audience and the fans, kailangan you're ready with the songs. And yun nga, yung first single, Anli is #1, no? Consistently #1 sa maraming charts all around the Philippines. And yung video nila, ang ganda rin ng feedback, #1 na. And marami kaming may mga singles kami na naka-plot na isusunod after Anli. So yung opportunities din na magamit yung music nila sa ibang shows ng ABS, nakaplano yan. Tapos for them to collaborate with other artists, di ba? Actually, isa rin sa mga natanong sa akin, kung paano ba yung, syempre may mga iba tayong boy band sa ABS, may Gimme 5 tayo, may hashtags.
Oo, nga no.
Ano yung differentiation, di ba? Kasi yung Gimme 5, mas tweens yung market noon. So mas bata, di ba? Yung hashtags more of mas dance group na who happens to
na-define mo agad,
diba?
Galing mo sa
who happens to
differentiation, ha?
Sila talaga yung boy band, sila yung the total performers, can sing, can dance, can perform, and legitimate singers na sinama-sama natin sa isang group. And abangan nila magkakaroon din itong boy band PH ng collaborations with some of the exciting local artists.
Wow.
Local artists, katulad ng meron silang kaka-record lang nila ng new song with this diva.
Wow.
Na bago nating diva dito sa ABS, and singing talaga. It's a vocal showdown. In the tradition of Mariah Carey and Boyz II Men, parang gano'n. Wow. Klaseng vocal performance. So, itong boy band na to, talagang pure talent at the same time. All of them are lookers. So,
finally, for each member, ano yung insecurity ng bawat isa? At kung pwede kayong maging anim, sino sa mga nalaglag ang nasama ang ika-anim na member? Thanks.
Anong insecurities niyo as an artist? And second question, kung merong 6 member, sino kaya doon ang gusto niyo sanang nakapasok? Joao.
For me naman po, I guess one of the insecurities I have was the vocal back then, my singing ability. It isn't one of my fortes, but even before the show, or during the show, I've been trying to improve on my singing abilities. I've been asking advices from these guys, and they've been helpful throughout the show. And even until now, I'm trying to work hard every day to improve on it and be better at it. And for the 6 member,
kung meron,
wala naman po. I'm happy with who I'm with. Like, these guys are my brothers. I guess we're here, we're meant to be here, and I'm happy that we're the chosen ones po.
Hindi naman sa may tatanggalin. Kumbaga kung may maidadagdag.
Sana would have been pandagdag pa para mas
Para sa akin po si Marco Blea. Si Marco Blea po.
But medyo iba na ang tinatahak ni Mark na career pati ngayon.
Yes po.
Nagka-teleserye. Thank you, Joao. Tristan, insecurities?
Sa akin po parang wala naman po akong maisip na insecurities kasi po parang ayoko lang po dumating sa point na parang para po sa akin mali na po yung gano'n na parang may insecure ako dito, sa kanya. Parang sa akin parang masaya na po ako sa kung ano man po ang dinadance ko ngayon kasi po katulad po ng buhay ko dati na sobrang hirap po kumpara ngayon na sobrang saya.
Bakit naman sobrang hirap?
Sobrang hirap po, parang marami pong challenge sa buhay ko. Hindi po katulad ngayon na financially na natutulungan ko yung family ko, yung kapatid ko. Ayun po. Tapos kung may isama po akong 6th member po si Marco Blea po. Kasi po, simula po lang po nung show po, talagang magkabati na po talaga kami nun.
Okay naman talaga si Mark. Okay, thank you, Tristan.
Thank you po.
Russell!
Para sa akin po, I'd say my two biggest insecurities are one, dancing.
You don't dance?
I never ever danced actually before
Like
the show.
professionally, ganon?
Never. I have no dance experience prior to the Pinoy Boy Band Superstar. So when we actually started doing the live shows, it was actually quite a challenge for me to learn the moves, and it's something that's still taking adjustment. Yeah, Joa's laughing right there.
So itong motion of the challenge sa'yo to.
Yeah, but it gets easier. It's been getting easier week after week, just with more and more training. And I would say my other one, for obvious reasons, is Tagalog. It's something that it makes it a little bit hard for me to express myself, I guess.
Sa Tagalog.
I'm not super comfortable speaking,
Yeah.
but it just makes it a little hard for me to connect with people, I guess. Just because sometimes not everybody speaks perfect English or good English.
Nice. 6 member.
From the top 12, I think a good pick would be.
Yeah, it could be from the top 12.
Miko Juarez, actually. He was,
yes,
I think he is actually really a total package. He can dance really well, and he sings really well. So I think he'd be a perfect fit.
Okay, thank you. Neil, insecurity.
Parang, ang feel ko po yung height siguro.
Hindi, ayun yun!
Feel ko ako yung pinakamaliit, pero may chance pa naman siguro ako naman.
How old are you, Neil?
I'm 18 years old po.
18. Anong height mo ngayon?
5'6" po.
Kaya magiging 5'6 and a half ka. Chika! Tatangkad pa na! Pwede pa yan!
Hopefully, sana po. Yung maging 6 members.
Kala ko 6-footer.
Si ano po, si Tony Labrusca po.
Tony Labrusca. Iba-iba. Very good?
Yeah.
Okay. Ford.
Sa akin naman po, hindi rin po kasi talaga ako ingiterong tao. Para sa akin po, pantay-pantay po yung tingin ko sa kanila.
Sino bang ingitero? Sino ba? Sabihin mo nga sa akin.
Hindi po, wala naman. I mean, inaano ko lang po yung in-express ko lang po yung sarili.
Oo naman, joke.
Kasi lumaki din po ako sa buhay na... lumaki lang din po kasi ako sa simpleng bagay na pinalaki ako ng nanay ko na makontento sa isang bagay. So, hindi ko po talaga ulit.
Naging ma-insecure sa isang...
Kahit since yung bata pa ako, hindi ko po talaga naging.
With yourself?
Siguro po yung ano...
Do you find yourself tumatangkad masyado with them or not naman? You're good
ano lang po, hindi ko lang po kayang express minsan yung nararamdaman ko minsan sa kanila.
Sino bang nililigawan mo?
Parang...
Chika! Just...
I mean, kapag kunyari may ano po ako, may... kunyari may sakit, yun, hindi ko masabi sa kanila.
Lahat mo tayo, nahihirapan po.
Parang gano'n lang po, yun lang. Parang hindi rin ako showy.
Okay na, tama naman. And the
Ngayon
next member?
Kung pipiliin ko naman po sa top 12 para sa akin, lahat naman po okay kasi...
Uy, safe!
Alam mo yan?
Safe!
Pero
Reality
pipiliin
safe.
ko din po, ano... Hirap si Miko na lang po.
Miko.
Kasi si Miko po, ano, napakatahimik, napakagaling din po. And syempre, marunong din po siya makisama sa mga katulong.
At saka yung mga binanggit niya, may mga management na rin, may mga managers na tumutulong na rin sa kanila. Okay, Joe, you're good?
Partner, we have a question from Bot Gloriosa of the Philippines Star.
Miss Bot, hi! Good to see you.
Hello. Para din sa mga members, what has been the most challenging part during the competition na nalagpasan nyo, na nagagamit nyo ngayon?
Challenging part ng competition na nagagamit nyo ngayon?
Na pwede mong nang magamit ngayon as boy band na?
Para sa akin po, kasi dati lagi kami nag-pressure sa contest. Ang masasabi ko lang po yung confidence ko medyo tumaas.
Oh, that's good. Kasi kaka-tense naman talaga.
So, kasi sa bawat pagtapak po namin ng speech dati, nandun po yung nervyos. Tsaka yung ayaw po namin mapahiya sa lahat ng tao kasi contest mo.
Confidence talaga ang na-build, no? Mas nakatulong. Neil, anong nakatulong sa'yo? Pamula October, we launched October ba? September. From September hanggang ngayon, anong naitulong sa'yo ng boy band?
Number 1 po, yung confidence. Kasi ako dati, sa school, parang dun sa amin, kumakanta ako, parang tumatayo lang ako, tapos kumakatawa lang, hindi ko marunong mag-express sa mga kinakanta ko. Pero ngayon, parang na-develop na yung self-confidence ko. At kung paano ka makihalubilo
sa tao,
sa mga kasama mo,
sa fans, sa boss, sa sa mga press, ganyan.
Oo, kasi dati mas mahirap kasi ngayon kasi may connection sa camera, sa audience, sa judges. Tapos dati sa judges lang, sa audience.
Okay, thank you, Neil. Russell.
I think my answer is kind of the same as Ford's. I would say that during the show, we were under a lot of pressure. Just a lot of pressure, just because we're being judged and whatnot, and like your life is kind of on the line. So now that we're not being judged in the same way anymore, we're not really getting cut from anything anymore. It really is that confidence factor. I think I'm just a little bit more comfortable on stage as compared to before. And also, we had some training in the show and up until now for dancing. Again, I told you, dancing is something that makes me a little bit insecure. So I think some of that, some of the skills that I learned during the show definitely helped me now, and something I use now.
Ronaldo, Miss Bot, no? Talagang inamin nilang confidence ang wala sa kanila nung una, and now ini-enjoy nila, nakatulong ni show. Tristan.
Yun po, katulad po sinabi na yung confidence. At siguro po, para po sa akin talaga, pinakamalaki pong factor po sa akin yung kahit ano pong mangyari, kahit maging malungkot ka, kahit ano pong hirap ng pinagdadaanan mo, huwag kakalimutan bumiti. Kasi yung nangyayari po ngayon, hindi po nangyayari po ng last year or last year po na sobrang blessed po namin ngayon 5 na nandito po kami ngayon na talagang kada po, alam ko po pag may mga challenge po na dumarating sa akin, inisip ko po lagi na uy, nandito pala ako, parang ito is a blessing na parang yun na po yung mapapangiti po ako the whole day po, yun po yung motivation po ginagawa para po sa akin.
Confidence at natuto siyang umiti after the, that's good, Tristan.
Being happy po.
Wow.
Para sa akin naman po, the same with them, confidence, but for me naman po is quick adjustment. Because during the show, we had like, we had like a week to practice everything and be able to
run it over
and try to get it perfect. And then now after the show, we have so much things to do, shows, so we have to adjust quicker. And I guess with the help of during Pinoy Boy Band, since we had that already, now it's easier for us to adjust quickly and be able to perform it better in the book.
This early ba, since lahat naman kayo looker, meron bang parang may mga girls ba na nagsuswoon na ngayon or nagpapahatid ng mga messages sa inyo? Or kung may mag-girlfriend na ba kayo, magagalit pa sila? Or kung wala naman, ano yung hinahanap niyo sa girl?
First is, are you dating? Or second,
sorry, sinunod ko.
Ayan ka na.
So sobrang busy po namin, talaga wala pong time eh. Pero siguro kung meron po, ang gawin po nila, sumali po sila sa ASAP. Sa Dately, sa February 14 po. Para po, yun po yung free time namin makipag-usap sa kanila. Yun po.
So wala kang date, wala kang girlfriend ngayon?
Wala po.
Si Joao kaya?
Para sa akin po, no girlfriend. It's been a while. Yeah. So, no girlfriend yet. What else? Girlfriend. Girlfriend. And then,
magjo-joke ko sana ako, wala siyang girlfriend ngayon, mamaya meron.
Wala naman po. And then, yeah, for looking in a girl, I guess simple lang po talaga. Just a simple girl.
Sinong simple? Parang peg mo yung simple girl.
Simple. Para sa akin naman po si Yasi Pressman.
Yasi. Okay. Russell Boy. Oy, hirap na hirap sumagot. May girlfriend, no?
No, I've actually never had a girlfriend since birth.
No way.
So I'm laughing. Yeah, never. I'm medyo torpe talaga. Minsan. So, never had a girlfriend since birth, and
even nasa America ka?
Never. I would say I was just too busy and too scared. So that's why I never had one. But even now, we really don't have time to get a girlfriend. As lame as that sounds, we don't have time for girls. But I'd say what I'm looking for in a girl, I don't know exactly what I'm looking for since I've never had a girlfriend to find.
Like physically, sa girls na nakikita mo sa showbiz.
I think.
You wanted to answer for you? Sino yung girl?
Talaga si Elise.
Eliso, ay oo pala, nabalitaan ko yan. Kaya pala sinuportan ka ng Maclis. Okay, Neil, ba't ka tumatawa?
Kinikilig na po siya agad.
Ano yan naman?
Hindi, ito po kay Karas.
Bakit?
Wala po. Takot po siya sa girls.
Why?
Wala po. Yun, para sa akin naman po, wala po akong girlfriend.
Okay.
At,
Sinong crush mo?
nasa ano po, nasa PBB. Si Kisses.
Hindi niyo po lumabas.
Lagot ka kay ano, sorry. Kay Edward. You're good. Hindi ba lang sa walang date, walang girlfriend?
Wala.
Okay. Ito, siguro may iba sagot dito. Ford! Are you have a girlfriend or you're dating?
Po, wala.
Chose?
Yes po.
Okay.
Yun, tsaka... Hindi, tsaka po, ang gusto ko lang po sa isang babae, simple, tsaka mapagmahal ko sa pamilya.
Sino crush mo sa showbiz?
Ako po si Loisa, kasi since nung nakita ko po siya dati sa BBB, parang napakasimple niya, tapos mapagmahal siya sa pamilya.
Kay Marco Blea na.
Pwede mo mag-share?
Okay, Miss, are you dating Mr. Jonathan? Charit lang. Can't see someone. Miss Bo? I'm loving this.
Thank you, Bo. Thank you, Bo.
Ito lang ng press ko, yung kalma lang, saya-saya. Okay, more questions, Aaron.
Yes, our next question will come from Nico Tuaza
Si Nick ng Pep.
Philippine Entertainment Board.
Buking pa, Pep na nga. Sige. Go, Nico.
Yung craziest experience nyo with a fan.
Ayun!
I think we all understand.
Alam ko to, nung Sunday lang, may halos. Okay, craziest experience with a fan.
I guess for all of us was the time we had a show in General Trias. That one was overall it was great because we didn't expect a lot of fans to be there, a lot of people to support our show and our songs. So talagang overwhelming po, may tuwa-tuwa. And then like we gave everything out and we're happy that they enjoyed. And I guess only after the show was
Siguro po sobrang saya mo nila na makita kami, mahawakan.
Ayun, nahawakan.
Parang sobrang, uy, Russell.
Talagang,
parang...
anong crazy doon? Nahawakan lang naman.
Parang nangyari mo, parang nahiga na po ako sa sahig ko ng mga oras na yun.
Gusto kayo sabihin, ayaw nyo nang sabihin.
Lalo po si Joke may sasabihin, kita-kita po yung ano eh.
Some of photos.
Video.
Yeah, Chihuahua's his earring somehow.
Yeah, it was just crazy. Yeah.
Nawalan ka ng earrings.
Yes, I lost my earrings. People were touching all of us. They were grabbing our shirts and everything.
Yeah.
So that one was crazy, but it was fun too. Fun and scary. It was fun and scary. It was fun and scary. It was funny for you because you survived. You left. You left us. Okay.
Okay.
Yun din.
Excuse me lang po, pwede po bang mag-CR?
Bakit ka kayo na?
Hindi ko na po kaya.
So kung ka may crazy. Tell us for it.
Guys, pwede po mag-CR.
No, you stay. What's the craziest thing that happened with a fan or...
Sige, yun nga, yun, nagdasal ako sa harap nila kasi parang nawalan po sila ng disiplina nung time na palabas kami ng...
where are the security people?
Backstage po. Yung security po, kaso hindi ko kinaya.
Hindi ko kinaya.
Nagkaroon po kasi...
Nakatakot yata yun, mababi ka nasa gitna.
Tapos para pong hirap na po kami lahat huminga, lalo po special po kay Amy kasi medyo maliit po siya.
Maliit pa si Neil.
Pero medyo po.
Opo, silang tatlo kasi nung nakauna. Tapos nag-t-shirt lang sila, ako naka-jacket. Kaya...
Ito ba yung may 20,000 na tao? Miss Lani, ito ba yung 15,000?
Opo, General Trias po.
Ilan ang tao dun sa mall? Ilan?
6,000.
6,000, tapos ganun ang venue. Are we talking the same event?
Opo, yes po.
Okay, you're good na, Ford. Okay, Neil. Sige, good na lang.
Yun po.
Seryoso pala yun? I'm sorry. Akala ko may, ayun, hindi ko kaya dahil, sorry. I would have, Neil.
Yun po.
Nakain ka ng cloud? Yung gano'n?
Hindi naman sila lang tatlo kasi matatakbat ko sila, magkita po sila sa mga fans. Tapos ako, nakayuko lang. Tapos, kinuha po ako ng
Nahirapan po siya mamigaling kaya umakit po siya doon sa may sasakyan po.
Yan.
Pinakit ka rin dyan.
Eh, nagpasalamat din po ako sa mga admin ko. Kasi tinulungan din po
Mga
nila
fans
ako.
mo.
Fans, mga admin ko.
Correct. Okay, Rasco.
It's from the same event at Gen 3S. I think something that I really remembered is we were on standby backstage in like this green tent, and then there were fans like literally like opening up.
No way.
Like, we were like, oh my
Parang
God.
babagsak na po yun.
The tent was getting pushed around. People were like trying to come underneath, so it's like interesting and kind of crazy to see that. And also,
fun.
yeah, so it was. I thought the whole experience was hilarious. Some of the other guys were kind of traumatized. I thought it was funny, but also, I was wearing a white pair of shoes when we came into the mall. By the time we left, they were black. So,
So that's it? Is Ford ready yet? Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Sorry na! Ayun, nasagot mo naman, di ba? Thank you, Raso. Tristan, that's it?
Yun po siguro po ang pinaka nakakatakot na po nung part na yun. Yung talaga pong tumumba na po kami lahat sa floor po. Parang stampede na po talaga na may mga fans na po na nagkakatapakan. Yun po yung sobrang natakot.
Secure naman kayo with our security naman ng PBS.
Opo. Ano po?
Nothing bad happened.
Opo, yung mga marshal na po ng ABS, sobrang secure po. Kapasok pa lang po kami talaga pong sinisecure na nila na yung nadaanan po namin. Sobrang safe na okay kaming lahat po.
Yeah, sa next mall show, sasamahan ko kayo. Okay. You're good na, Joe, no? Miss Ann, Nico?
Last question. Gano'n kayo ka-involved dun sa album?
Did they give you like a hand in the album, like songs na gagawin nyo?
Yun po. Kami po yung talagang
Kumanta?
po.
Oo naman, chika.
Namili po. Yun nga po yung pinakamasayang part po yun. Parang habang binipili po namin yung mga songs namin. Para po kami naghahanap ng mga girlfriends mo.
Tapos sagutin niya ni Jonathan, sige, I'll let you answer. Did you have, may hand kayo sa nag-pick ng song?
I said we all kind of had a choice in the song. Yeah, so we heard from a couple different charts, and just we found the ones we liked. Like for instance, when we picked Unli, we heard it right away. We were like, "You want that one?"
What is common sa 5 of these songs sa album? Na napili niyo talagang...
When we heard the songs, like, the ones on this album, we all collectively were like, "We want that."
Nice yung originals eh. Sobrang ganda. Or...
Ayun po.
Ano ngayon po?
Sabi na po sila eh.
Yun na po, yun na po.
Yun din po kasi.
Jonathan.
Very collaborative talaga yung process ng album. Kasama namin of course si Louie,
of course.
Si Sir Roxy, yung producers. We sat down with the members of Boy Band PH. Tapos nagbotohan kami per song. Kasi di namin nire-review kung sino yung songwriters. Kailangan yung mapili yung song on the merits of its being catchy, bagay sa kanila. So, ayun, nagbotohan kami ng mga songs. Yun nga, yung first single nila, unanimous yung decision.
Who composed that for the single?
Gabriel Tagantay.
Si Gabriel. And the other songs? Boyfriend, sino nag-compose?
Boyfriend si Kid Wolf.
Oh, the man!
Pagmamahal si Kiko.
Kiko.
We made it.
Ikaw.
Kiko.
Okay.
Ayan, tapos yung boyfriend yan. Yung Somebody sa remake, Depeche Mode na 80s anthem.
Pag kinakanta na yan sa
Ginawa nila ng bagong
warla na sila, no?
Ayun. Tapos abangan nyo kasi may second EP sila sometime late next year.
Nakasama na to mga pinag-uusapan natin ngayon.
We're deciding kung second EP or a full-length album. So, pero watch out for that kasi nagre-record pa sila ng more songs for the next project.
So, tumatagal, dumadami, dadagdagan to?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, Nico, you're good na. Okay, A?
Partner, we have a question from Jude Cortalaban na kinikilig.
Kanino? Jude, who's your favorite?
Good afternoon, congratulations.
Thank you. Nag-blush, oh.
My question goes to everyone.
Oh, girl.
Anyway, so how are you handling your success now? Yung fame?
Pati? what, ilang months na ba? 6 months na ba? 5?
Opo.
Success.
It's been a while, yeah. I guess for me naman po, I don't really mind about the success. All I care is about our improvement as a group all together and just making sure that our fans are happy and are enjoying at the same time.
Okay, I understand.
Yun po para po sa akin talagang maging masaya lang po kasi ito naman po talaga yung gusto namin gawin. Kaya po talagang hindi na po namin napapansin na kung ano man po kami. Parang nag-i-enjoy lang po talaga po kami kung ano man po kami ngayon.
Okay, Russell.
For me, I think I'm just trying to keep my feet on the ground at all times. I would say that what's nice is that now that we're in ASAP quite often, we're performing with, like the best of the best in the Philippines. So to see other like world-class performers, I think it's something that's very humbling for me. It's something that, always reminds me that there's always something I need to improve on. So in terms of like the fame and whatnot, I think it's just been fun to, see the smiles on people's faces when we do mall shows or, and whatnot. Just because, it's performing is what I've always wanted to do with my life.
How was life back in Chicago ba? Sa Chicago ba, oh? Kamusta ba yung buhay mo doon? From a normal
It was simple. Well, it was simple. My life was just very... I didn't really have a complicated childhood in any way. It was just pretty easy. But I would say in high school, I was just exceptionally busy. That's all I can say about it. There's not too much interesting things to say about my life.
Busy with school?
With school, with sports, and with music. Extracurriculars.
Okay. Kinio, how do you handle all this kasikatan?
Siyempre po nakaka-overwhelm po. Hindi po talaga namin na-expect. Tapos, yun po.
Pero ikaw yung unang official member, di ba?
Kaya super sayo.
Sinong sumuporta sa inyo? Bakit kaya ikaw ang unang naging official member?
Feel ko mga taga Cebu po.
Cebuano.
Cebuano. Support talaga sila.
Okay.
Tapos, feel ko, ayun lang palagi, hapul always. Yes.
Very good na. Or,
okay, yung masasabi ko lang po, ginagawa lang po namin is keep calm down in have a good manner sa mga taong tumutulong at sumusunod sa akin sa taon.
Grabe yung report mo, iba rin ano?
Don't be changed.
Dandik. More questions, our vlogger friends. Ayan si
Follow-up question pa ako. If you're given the chance to choose between having money and peace of mind, alin ang pipiliin niyo?
Ano pa naman yan? They ask for career, tapos gusto nila ng peace of mind. We're trending numbers 2 right now, no?
Miss Ferdinand.
Ang pangit ng choice, pero sige, we'll let you answer. If you're given a chance, whether peace of mind or money?
I guess for me, po peace of mind. Because money
So mag-quit ka na siya?
Hindi naman po. It's just, money is just a bagay, it's just a thing.
Parang ang tanong answerable boy, peace of mind dapat talaga. O sige, baka maiba.
Peace of mind sa
Tristan, peace of mind
Bakit po
or
money? Kasi kung may pera ako, may peace of mind po. Kasi may problema ko.
Sabihin ko eh. Practical lang din naman siya. Kasi naman, ako hindi mainit ang ulo ko pag may pera ako. I'm so at peace. Beautiful. Tama rin naman pala. Go, thank you, Tristan. Russell.
Well, mine's like the exact opposite of this guy's. Isn't the point of getting money like to have peace of mind in the first place? So I think for me, peace of mind definitely makes a lot of sense because I think money can bring a lot of headaches. I think maybe people sort of like.
Sagot nila ha.
Yeah, I think money can like bring. It changes people's perspective of you and whatnot. So I think peace of mind is like way better.
Yeah.
Sa akin naman po, for now, money po. Para makatulong mo sa family ko. And depende naman po sa iyo kung paano mo i-gasto yun.
Kasi 18 years na naman siya nagka-peace of mind. Pwede ba from the 19? Money naman, para to support the family.
Peace of mind,
Alam mo, napaplastic ako sa peace of mind. Just thank you lang.
Salamat po.
Ford.
Sa katunayan, yung sinabi ni Tristan, yung
Tristan.
Pero lahat naman ng tao kailangan ng pera. Pero mas gusto natin kasi yung peace of mind. Kasi kapag peace of mind, ibig sabihin wala kang problema, less problem ka. Mas lagi kang masaya sa buhay.
Kaya pala pera, di ang init ulo. Oh, pera talaga ako. Is that good? Ano to? Jude? Okay.
Ito po.
Nagkaari naman eh.
Partner, ito pareho may peace of mind.
May tanong si Ray?
At meron din tong pera, no? Si Kate Adahar of Brother Republic.
At beauty ha? Favorite ko to eh. Miss Kate.
Hello po.
Hi,
Hello.
who are your personal music icons and any boy band you look up?
Sige, maganda yan. Mga influences talaga yan. Ano tanong? Naintindihan mo?
Yung personal, yung idol,
Idol yun.
Yung siguro yung ano, Westlife tsaka Backstreet Boys yun.
Backstreet Boys and?
And sa dancing naman siguro K-pop.
Okay. Ford, sinong?
Sa akin kasi nung bata ako, lagi kong pinapanood si Sir Garvey, si Mr. Beanie, tsaka po si Usher, tsaka po si Chris Brown.
Usher. Hindi ko na ma-remember yung iba. Okay, Russell, musical influences.
For me,
No, for him. Actually.
I think I don't have an exact like musical influence per se, but I would say artists that I look up to are people like Justin Timberlake, Bruno Mars, other people like Tori Kelly. I'd say it's just because they're very simple in the way they perform. Like Justin Timberlake, he doesn't really do like super complex choreo and whatnot. Like they just have that effortless swag.
I know.
But I don't have that, so like, I want to have
You
that.
have it, hindi mo lang alam. Ganun daw yun eh. Kala mo wala, pero nakikita namin na. You have it. Alright, Tristan.
Yung papanood ko sa kanya.
Anong sabi niya? Ano naman tulad sa kanya?
Yung kay Bruno Mars po kasi.
Bruno.
Basta po, ang lakas po ng dati niya pagka nagpo-perform siya. Sobrang galing. Pati po si Justin Timberlake po. At dito naman po sa Pilipinas si Billy Crowell po at si Mr. Gary. Sobrang galing po talaga yung mag-perform. Sa girl naman po si Miss Sarah Geronimo.
Kala ko si Lois sabi niya.
For me naman po, music influences is Justin Bieber, Chris Brown, Usher, and then boy band, you could say One Direction and Westlife.
Nice choice.
Thank you.
Mr. Jonathan, sorry na. Musical influences mo. Okay, I'd like to acknowledge the head of Star Music, Roxy Liquigan. Hi, Rox! Umakas na sa Rox.
Hello po.
Good afternoon. Ayun siya. Nag-observe. Hi, Roxy. Okay, A.
Partner, ito kanina pa kinikilig talaga.
I can imagine.
Si Albert Abilino.
Chica us out. He's very, very supportive. I like this guy. Go ahead. Hello.
Hi po, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yan, paano po kayo magmahal? Paano kayo magmahal? At paano
Kaya niyo ba ako mahalin na susunod doon?
Paano kayo magbigay ng anlikilig sa babae?
Paano kayo magmahal at paano kayo nagbibigay ng anlikilig sa babaeng mahal na mahal niyo?
Kasi po, katulad po ng sa kanya namin, ibibigyan po namin sila ng Andy, kasi sila yung somebody namin, at alam ko kami yung hinahanap nilang boyfriend, at one day, magagawa namin yan kasi we made it. Nabanggit ko pala lahat ko.
Paano ka magmahal daw? Galing mo doon. Sulat ka na lang.
Hindi po, siguro po, mahalin mo lang siya ng walang kapalit, katulad ko.
Nagka-girlfriend ka na siya?
Siyempre.
Paano mo siya minahal?
Parang kung ano po yung kaya mo ibigay sa kanya, at kung nakikita mo po yung pagkukulang.
Maalaga ka ba? Are you like, you send her flowers or
Hindi.
chocolates or letters?
Medyo po, yun po yung medyo hindi po ako
Hindi ka
ng flowers. Pero, sweet po ako pag parang kailangan niyo ng yakap, yung parang makita ko pa may problema. Problemado siya. Bibigyan ko po siya ng mga advices.
O, ganun daw. Albert.
Papayaka pa ka naman.
Joke. Sabi ko na dun papunta yun. Joke. Paano ka magmahal?
Magmahal, magmahal is a...
Nagka-girlfriend ka na.
I had one. But it's a very hard. It's a very hard thing to love someone else.
It's very hard to love someone else.
I guess I've had a bad experience, but hopefully in the future magmahal ako ulit. I guess I'll love for me naman, it's just very simple. Again, you just want to give effort, time, and it just goes the same way. You know, you just want to give both. You just want to give effort, love, and hopefully you get that return too. And that's it. Yeah, mostly spend time and show that, like, for me, that she really matters. That she's the woman I love, and I just want to make sure that she deserves everything in life, and that she's the happiest girl. And yeah, I guess.
Are you ready to fall in love with her?
I guess for now, no. No.
Parang hindi talaga ng... Oo.
No.
Pain talaga. Matindi yung split Okay, Russ Boy.
Well,
Kumakamot tong hininga naman.
I've never had a girlfriend, so I don't really know how to love. I don't really know what to love.
Ano ka bang tao? Di ka nanligaw ever?
Well, how I show somebody that I like them, I don't. I actually do like everything I can to like not interact with that person, so I don't end up like embarrassing myself and saying something. Just being honest, that's exactly how it is. So, yeah.
Oh my goodness, nakakatawa. Ano na dong? Ikaw, paano ka nanligaw dong?
Ano lang po, papanita ko lang.
Nagka-girlfriend ka na?
Ay, yes po, dati.
Ilan?
Isa lang.
Isa lang. Paano mo siya niligawan? Paano ka ba magmahal? How did you win her?
Ano lang, pinakita ko lang sa kanya, seryoso.
Yung ano? Yung parang puso mo, gano'n.
Oo, paano ako magmahal. Tapos, yun po, yun lang.
Malambing ka?
Yes po.
Are you malambing? You give flowers, letters?
Minsan.
Next. Okay, Ford, mukhang kita ko sa pagmahal. Sorry na. You go for that. Ikaw, paano ka magmahal?
Base sa experience ko dati, paano ko magmahal. Binibigay ko.
Listen, Albert.
Binibigay ko lang yung oras ko. Kapag kailangan niya ako, lagi ako nandun.
Nagka-girlfriend ka na? Marami na. Okay.
And syempre, hindi po nawawala din talaga yung sweet ko.
Sweet ka talaga as a person. Yes, we're good. Okay.
Partner, last 3 questions.
Sige, we're down to our last 3.
Okay, we have a question from Elle of Star Studio Magazine.
Yan si Elle. Magaling po si Elle. Ang tanong. Parang ka-shumi. Go, Elle.
Curious lang, boys.
Curious lang, boys. Go, Elle.
Meron pa kayong group leader sa boy band?
Yung Ali Jamil,
Yeah, members.
parang may tumatay leader ba?
Sa, ano lang, pag dancing, si Joel po.
Parang kanya-kanyang assign
Oh,
po sa
Pag sing naman po, si Russell.
Okay. Pero wala yung parang leader.
Parang leader, wala siguro.
Sir Louie, ganun ba? May leader po ba silang in-assign ang unit?
Parang
Can we share the mic to Sir Louie para lang malaman kung sino yung may sinusunod ba sila? Batas ba si...
In terms of
Batas.
walang leader kasi parang alam naman nila yung pantay-pantay na sila. Pero tama yun na nung after ng contest, syempre kasi di ba pag pumunta ko sa show, nasa show pa na sa labas, minsan syempre hindi naman kami nakakasama. So alam na nila yun, like, ako tama yan, pagkaano, tinutulungan mo jowa ko sa Blackie, sa Francie, tapos si Russell, sa singing, sa voice. But kasi sila isa-isa individually, may mga personality sila na kumbaga si FaceTime, si Ford, mga kuya yan.
Correct.
Si Will, alam nila na
Bunso.
yan. Si Joao, may ganong quality din.
Oo, baby.
Marunong mag-yung kuya.
Yo, baby, no?
Di ba Joao, siya nga ang taga-gising, tama ko.
Yun.
Alarm clock. Alarm clock.
I can wake you up too. Charot lang. Okay, thank you, Elle. Nasagot ba? Okay, nasagot naman dapat.
Okay, ito naman, ang tatay
Uy, ang ganda naman ang outfit ni Aaron! Gold! Boy band PH, hindi ka nga dito.
Para makita sa live stream.
Sana mag-gold na to, no? Malapit na.
Malapit na. Ito ang tatay-tatay naman ng mga vloggers. Wala iba kundi si Manong Ted.
Parang lolo na yata. Kuya Ted.
Pero high-tech.
Why not? Oo. Millennial.
Hello guys.
Hello po.
Kuya
So,
Ted.
if you will be having a concert in the future, so anong song ang gusto nyong kantahin na like a love song or ballad na solo for each member and why?
So later on, meron sila magkakaroon silang isang music museum and then papunta ng Araneta. Di ba parang ganyan ang planning yan? If there's a love song na gusto nyong kantahin, a love song or love songs, what would the songs be, the song be? And why?
Well, for me naman po is the song that we have right now in our album with Somebody, because that
Ayaw talaga
really...
bumitaw sa album, ha?
Yeah, yun talaga, no.
I love it.
That song really like hits all of us together. We know it's loving, caring, and
Very.
and we hope that even our audience and fans will see it through our performance and they'll feel the love from us po.
Somebody is the song. Okay, Tristan.
Somebody po, pero gusto ko pong communicate sa parang Tagalog po yung magmamahal ko.
Ano ka? Ah, okay.
Yung may magmamahal. Kasi title pa lang po magmamahal, sobrang marami na pong hindi magmamahal ka sa family mo, magmamahal ka sa fans mo, magmamahal sa tao, magmamahal sa iyo. Kaya sobrang important po talaga nung album po namin na kailangan po nila talaga makakuha. Yun po.
Russell, if there's a song, a love song, it doesn't have to be in the album, huh?
If it's off the album, a song that I actually really love at the moment, Sana na Ulit Ulit. I actually really like that song. So,
which version? Gary, Regine?
Gary V's version, just because it's key for
I know.
the verse.
It's
But
key.
as to why, I just really like that song.
Ano pa? Yun lang. Yeah.
Para sa akin naman siguro po yung pagmamahal.
Pwede pag wala sa album? Pag wala sa album.
Pag wala sa album, ay ano lang, shape of my heart. Shape of my heart.
Sample.
Backstreet. Ano na? Sorry. Sample daw.
I'm here with my confession.
Ayoko pala, alam ko yun. Ang ganda ng timbre niya. I love it. Tuloy mo?
Tuloy na po. Parang okay.
Okay.
Yun ang siguro po yung shape of my heart.
Ano bang shape ng heart mo ngayon?
Square po. Hindi, simple po.
Alright.
Yes.
Okay. Ford!
Sa akin naman po, sa album sa bago. Pero, kung off po sa album, po, Love Friday.
Uy, bakit anak?
Kasi po maraming makakarinig.
Yung Sheeran, ganyan. Okay, kayo weird, sorry ha. I was expecting na ano.
Kasi, para sa akin kasi, nung narinig ko yung kanta, parang na-reflect po sa pagkatao. So, sa tingin ko, maraming makakarinig sa kantang yun. Kaya yun ang
magulang.
Sample.
You wanna sing parts of the song?
Okay lang.
Sige nga.
Ngayon ay malaki ka na, nais mong maging malaya, di ba sila payag walang magagawa? Ikaw nga ay biglang nagbago, naging matigas ang iyong ulo, at ang payo nila'y sinuway mo.
Wow! Kinanta mo ba yan sa competition? Hindi, never had a chance. Taas pala ng range niya, no? Takot ako. Kasi, wala tayong reverb man lang.
Duet kayo, EJ.
Huwag naman. Okay, we're down to our last
question. Ito, Kulay Square. Kulay Square?
Kulay Square?
Kulay Square ang shape ng kanyang puso. Iba kundi si Rod Chalday, page 1.p.
Ayan. Ano pangalan? What's your first name? Rog. First time. Nice to meet you.
Di ba na-reveal yung mga songs? So, sino naman yung mga artists na gusto nyo makakolab?
Ay, maganda yan. Kasi definitely magkakaroon kayo ng album and collaboration with different artists.
Girl po.
Ay, mukhang umuoo na si Jonathan Manalo. Siguro mukhang naka-ready na. Okay. Boy and a girl.
Boy and a girl. Para sa akin po si Boy, Mr. Gary V. Because since I was a kid, my dad would always play him when I'm around the house, and he's just a pure energy, so I wanna collaborate with him, with us po. And then girl, probably Sarah Geronimo po kasi she is insanely talented. And yeah.
Alright, cool. Tristan.
Sa akin po si, nakasama na po namin siya sa show namin na...
Si Aga? Si Aga po. Kuya Aga.
Siguro po si Billy Crawford.
Oh naman, I love Billy.
Performer kasi siya, siguro si Biscuit.
Yeah, of course. Saan pa ba tayo? Lalayo pa ba tayo, siyempre? Host at saka mentor nila. Russell!
For me, I would say for a guy, maybe either a guy like Darren Espanto or maybe Enrico Pascual. I think those guys are like exceptionally talented, and I think I have a lot to learn from either one of them, so that'd be fun. And then for a girl, maybe Morissette, because she can like really sing. So.
Ibang yung choice yan. Mag-vary sila. Neil, sino gusto mo makakollaborate sa isang song?
Si Michael Pangilinan. At sa girls naman, si...
Why Michael muna? Why Michael? Napanood mo na ba siya mag-perform?
Opo. Maganda pong boss niya.
Iba rin ano? Maganda ang timbre niya.
Yan po. Yung girl, si Yang.
Yeah. Why Yang?
Kasi gusto ko yung quality ng boss niya kahit rock.
She's a rockstar. Ford.
Ako marami pero...
Si Freddy kaya? Chika na, Freddy na kilala. Hindi, joke lang.
Ano po, unang-una po si Sir Gary B. Pangalo po si Miss Sarah.
Pretty much Joel. Why Gary? Why Sarah?
Sir Gary B po kasi dati siya na po talaga yung una ko nakikita niya. Kapag nag-perform po, sobrang lakas po ng energy niya. So parang siya po yung in-idolize ko since yung bata. Hanggang sa nagkaroon ng maraming mga artist na tumulong sa akin.
Tsaka may version siya ng anak, di ba? Sa babae, si Sarah. Why Sarah?
Nung nakita ko po kasi siya mag-perform sa ASA, sobrang galing na nag-perform po siya. So parang stars na ako sa kanya. One time, gusto ko makadulit si Sarah.
Of course.
No.
Okay, we're good, eh?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, and meron tayong pakikinggan, tama? Announcement ng Andy #1 sa MOR!
Yeah.
Wow, congratulations!
Thank you much,
guys! Parang 2 weeks na #1 yan Okay, yung mall shows. Ayan, can you guys announce it? Looking where?
Yes, our album tour February 5 is Feb 5 is gonna be at Fairview Terraces. Feb 6 Robinson Iloilo. Feb 10 Robinson Cebu. Feb 14 Harbor Point. March 2 SFD San Jose. March 15 Robinson's Tacloban. Yes. Oh yes, we are the mixed celebrity DJs for this month.
Wow!
Hopefully you enjoy it.
Oh, definitely we will. We'd like to hear from our album producer, Mr. Jonathan. Any word na gusto mong i-impart para sa mga media?
Available na po yung physical copy ng albums in all record bars nationwide, so please get a copy. Continue requesting for the single on radio and on mix. #1 nga uli ngayon.
Wow! As we speak, gano'n?
Yeah, as we speak.
Gumano, nag-shoot up?
Yes. And please watch out for the follow-up single after
Wow, I'm
that.
so excited.
Sobrang daming feels.
Any hint nung girl yung diva?
Kasama sa Billy Queens.
Wow! We'll see, we'll find it back.
I would like to commend again the producers. Actually, they are the producers of this album.
Sino
Kid
pa?
Wolf and Kiko Sobra.
Of course, Kid Wolf and Kiko Sobra. Okay, Joao, would you like to say anything? Thank them today?
Yes, I want to thank you guys for coming here today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, and we just want to thank you for the love and support for us.
Oh, that's sweet. Tristan.
Ito, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Sana po nag-enjoy po kayo at nalaman niyo po, may mga nalaman pong isabi na mga konting detail. Marami po. Ayun po, maraming salamat po. God bless.
Thank you, Tristan. Ford.
Ako, noong una, first time ko po itong may interview.
First time mag-media ko, nag-guest show.
Ay, second time na pala. Pero ito yung pinaka parang asahan. Tsaka maraming salamat po. Binigyan niyo kami ng pribileyo na makasama kayo ngayong araw.
We thank your fans. Sobrang antikita sila sa mall show.
Opo, dahil po sa kanila, nag-1 po yung kanta namin. Sana po, patuloy niyo lang po supportan ang aming awiting ng Dope Action.
Asa ba ang camera ng Star Music?
Kiko.
Hi, no, sa Facebook Live.
Hello, guys.
Saying hi.
And of course, Neil.
Nagpapasalamat po ko sa inyong lahat, especially po sa mga fans namin na puro suporta para sa amin. Sana po, supportahan niyo po kami hanggang sa dulo at gagalan po namin ang performance namin po para sa inyo.
Yes. Thank you, Nak. And of course, Russell.
I just want to say maraming salamat sa inyong lahat for coming out and doing all this for us. I hope you guys had as much fun as we did. And also a special shout out to all of our fans and our supporters for, you know, really going above and beyond to help us out and really spreading the word on anything we're doing and whatnot, because it really helps us. So thank you guys so much for everything.
Alright, boy band PH from Star Music.
Announcement lang, Feb 14, Valentine's Day, ang release date ng next single ng boy band PH.
Wow! We'd like to request boys, please stand up. Can we invite Kid Wolf and Kiko for the photo op naman?